Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to pair your earbuds HONOR Earbuds X6 with your PC. You have to start by press one time at the Windows button on your keyboard and then write Bluetooth. If you see Bluetooth on other devices, press on it or click Enter. Now, right here at the right top, we have a button Add Device, and we need to press this button also. Right here, select Bluetooth, and now open the charging case. If it's your first connection, this earbuds enter to pairing mode automatically. Also, after a factory reset, this earbuds enter to pairing mode automatically, but we can also enter to pairing mode manually. At the back side of the earbuds, of course, your earbud should be inside the charging case. So, at the back side, we have connectional button, not connectional button, sorry, touch areas, and we need to press and hold at this touch areas until this LED light starts blinking. And now it starts blinking white, excellent. We just enter to pairing mode and we can see these earbuds also at the device list. Click on it, and then click Done. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave a like on the video. See you later!